Hi friends, AstroMommy here, and we are back with day 3 of AstroMommy's 1-year tarot journal official launch week. Now today I have something really special to do with you guys today. The last 2 days we've talked about the vision behind the journal and why I created it. And today we're going to actually do something really fun, and we're going to pull a card and then read the interpretation from the complimentary card interpretations PDF that you get free with the journal. Every journal comes with a QR code inside, and if you scan the QR code, then you get a link to a Google Doc of my complimentary card interpretations PDF. You can download and print out this document and keep it on your desk as a reference, or you can just keep it on your computer and then look up cards whenever you want. I actually did download and print out my own interpretations, and I keep them right here when I am doing horoscopes and card readings and all that kind of stuff, because I find it to be a wonderful, a wonderful desk reference myself, even though I wrote it. Okay, so I have one of my favorite decks. Actually, it's my favorite Rider-Waite style deck, the Universal Waite Tarot. I love the artwork in this deck. It's so vibrant, and we're going to pull a card for the day. So let me go ahead and shuffle. Okay, we got the Ace of Swords. Get that in here so you can see. Okay, so now I'm going to read to you from the complimentary card interpretations download. All right, now in the document there is a table of contents, which of course is really wonderful, and if you are looking at it on a computer, all of the names of the cards are hyperlinked. Okay, so it's really easy if you just have it on your computer to just go to the card and click on it, and then it'll take you right to that page. When you print it out, you might want to put little tabs or something like that or whatever on it so that you can quickly get to the different cards. Okay, so go into the swords here. Okay, now swords. Swords are the element of air and represent mental mastery, the intellect, thought, communication, and strategy. Ace of Swords. On this card, here, I'll hold it up so you guys can look at it while I'm reading. Get a good, this is like backwards. Okay. On this card, we see a hand coming out of a cloud holding a sword. Atop the sword is a crown with foliage spilling out of it. The aces in the tarot represent sudden opportunities, inspirations, and divine messages. Upright. The Ace of Swords indicates new thoughts, a new way of thinking, a new way of communicating, sharp communication, a sharp mind, and mental focus. An opportunity that you thought of or that you will think of that will pierce your reality, bringing something advanced into the mix. Perhaps a decisive, swift strategy pays off in your favor. Could also be a message coming in that initiates something out of the blue. And then also in the interpretations, you have both upright and reversed interpretations for the cards, which I find to be very helpful. Not everybody reads reverse cards, but if you do read reverse cards, there is an interpretation for it. Okay, so the Ace of Swords, well, that's going to give us a day where something is going to come out of the blue. We're going to have some sort of thought or sort of mental clarity. We'll be thinking sharply about things. We could receive a message. So let me know if any of those things happen for you. I would love to know. You can put it in the comments. Okay, so don't forget that we are in the middle of the 5-day launch celebration, which means both the physical 1-year tarot journal and the downloadable PDFs on my Etsy shop are all 30% off. If you want to order the physical journal from me for 30% off, please go to Substack and find the link that says AstroMommy's 1-year tarot journal official launch day 1. In that newsletter, in that post will be the link where you can purchase this at 30% off for this week only. The links to my Etsy shop will also be in the description, as well as a link to the Amazon listing in case this is after the promotional period and you would like to get your hands on one of these journals. So I'm excited for day 4, where I'm going to show you guys inside the journal. All right, until then, bye.